Good evening. Welcome to onlineias.com. On the platform of onlineias.com, we are running various courses starting from this civil service examination to Group 1, Group 2, Sub Inspector of Police, and various other examinations. And now it is giving me immense pleasure to announce that the SI batch, that is Sub Inspector of Police batch, for both Andhra Pradesh and Telangana has been completed very successfully. And we have completed both Telugu medium as well as English medium classes very successfully. And anybody, any aspirant who is interested, you are most welcome to join. And currently, we are offering this particular course at a very discounted price, including prelims and mains. And in the mains, you have some, these optional papers like English and Telugu. All of them put together, we are offering at just 2,900 rupees, meaning 2,900 rupees including GST. And this offer is available up to July 27th. July 27th. Hence, I request the aspirants of SI of Police of AP and Telangana to join the course as early as possible. Similarly, when it comes to the Group 2 examination, the batches have already been started. And with respect to the English medium batch, with respect to the Group 2 English medium batch of APPSC, currently AP history is going on. For Telugu medium batch, AP economy is going on. And for Telugu medium AP batch, Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission batch, Indian economy is going to be started in the first week of August. So most probably by the end of August, both the batches will be completed. So this is a great opportunity that is being provided to you all, where you can avail these benefits. And the actual cost of the Group 2 is 19,000 rupees. But we are offering at a very nominal price of 5,900. And another beautiful thing with respect to our courses is that once you join our course, you can access the classes. You can access the classes till the completion of the main examination. Notification is not released. So notification will be released, right? Preliminary will be conducted, mains will be conducted. Till that particular time, you can access the classes as many number of times as possible, right? So much of so many, the opportunities have been provided here. So many relaxations have been provided here. But only one condition is that you have to access your classes only from one device. Only from one device. Either you can use laptop or your mobile or desktop or tab. Anything you can use, but only one device, right? Keep this in mind. And all the information I am going to show it to you now. Please have a look at this. And please take a pic of this. Take a pic. You will find complete information here. Group 2 APPSC and TSPSC. Please remember, for APPSC, we are offering both Telugu medium as well as English medium. For TSPSC, this is only Telugu medium, right? And the fees is just 5,900 rupees. Clear? And SI of Police for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, the fees is just 2,900 rupees. Please remember, this includes GST also. And validity will be till the completion of the main examination. To be more clear, even after the release of notification, even after the completion of the preliminary examination, you can access the classes up to till you finish your main examination, you can access the classes. Apart from these two, we also offer general studies for both AP and Telangana. This is also available in both Telugu medium as well as English medium. And fee is just 1,900 including GST. It will be useful for competitive examinations like AEEs, degree college lecturers, junior college lecturers, polytechnic lecturers, assistant motor vehicle inspectors in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. This course will be very, very, very useful, and you may please opt for this. And our courses are available in both English medium as well as Telugu medium. And kindly remember, whatever I am discussing with you, this includes the downloadable PDF, meaning material will be provided to you in the form of PDF. Once you join, you can download the material. Similarly, practice tests will also be provided, but they are non-downloadable, meaning you have to access those tests only in our site. And anybody who is interested, please take a pic of this. Anybody who is interested, you can pay the fees by using Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm. This is my number. This is my mobile number. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my Google Pay, Phone Pay and Paytm number. In any manner you like, you can pay the payment, and after that, please send your details. So what are all the details that are given? Name, mobile number, your mail ID, right? Your state, meaning Telangana or Andhra Pradesh. What is the course you have joined? Is it Group 1 or SA of Police? And along with that, you please also send your medium to my WhatsApp number. Within an hour, you will get the access. But please remember, last date will be July 27th, July 27th, 2020. And after that, there is no possibility of further extension. Already we have extended the date by taking the interest of various students into consideration. So please take this as a last opportunity and join as early as possible. Fine. Now, so I would like to show you our site. Kindly have a look at this. Kindly have a look at this, our site. So this is the site onlineias.com, and anybody who wants to join, you may please have a look at the so-called our demo classes if you want. Anybody who wants to join for GS 2020, open our site and come down here. Please watch the demo classes. Similarly, APPSC 2020, you can look at the demo classes here. Look at this, APPSC Group 2, you can watch demos. Please watch demos, then join. And you can, once you join, so then you can get the access. Similarly, SA of Police, so you can see here SA of Police. Similarly, TSPSC Group 2 here. So everything is available once you enter into our site, right? And please take this one as the last opportunity and join as early as possible. Join as early as possible, and I wish you all a very, very, very good luck, and see you all during the classes. Fine. Thank you so much. Take very good care.